Welcome to our video. I'm going to tell you how to redeem a PlayStation Plus code. First, on your browser or console, make sure you're signed in to the correct PlayStation account. On a PS5, go to Settings, then Users and Accounts. Scroll down to Payments and Subscriptions and select Redeem Code. If you're on a PS4, just head over to the PlayStation Store from the home screen and choose Redeem Codes at the bottom of the menu. Now carefully enter the 12-digit code exactly as it's shown. Don't include spaces or dashes and press continue. You'll see the subscription details pop up, so confirm and the membership will be activated instantly. On a PC or phone, you can also visit store.playstation.com/redeem. Log in and enter the same 12-digit code. You can now enjoy free monthly games, cloud saves, and online play right away.